Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mozzarella cheese. So let's do that. All you need is milk and vinegar. Okay, your cheese has a lot to do with the milk you are using. So make sure that you use whole milk which has not already been pasteurized or boiled. With the boiled milk, you're going to end up making cottage cheese and you don't want that. So be careful. So you have to heat the milk on medium-low heat. Stir continuously to give the milk an even temperature until it reaches to 120 degree Fahrenheit or 47 to 48 degrees Celsius. Or another way of getting that point is when your finger can no longer tolerate how hot the milk is. That is the point where you have to add the vinegar. Any good quality white vinegar would work. Pour the vinegar all at once and give it a quick stir. Don't stir too long as you're going to break up the curds. Cover it up with a lid and leave it for a couple of minutes. After so, you will see beautiful curds will be formed and you'll see a distinct separation of curds and the whey. That is the most fun part, where you have to remove the curds from the whey and gently squeeze all the excess whey from the curds. Once you have scooped all the curds from the whey, heat it again and let the temperature go to 80 degrees Celsius. If you don't have the thermometer, that's okay. The water should be really hot. It shouldn't boil, but it should be really hot. To give a salty taste, you can add 1 tablespoon of salt. Let the curds rest in that hot whey for 2 to 3 seconds. Then take them out, squeeze the extra water and repeat the process for 3 to 4 times. The cheese will start stretching, the most exciting part. But don't overwork it because that's going to make the cheese stiff and it might not melt properly. Once you reach that point, you are ready to shape the mozzarella. Following that, you need a bowl with chilled water. You have to place your mozzarella in that water, leave it for 2 minutes and it's all ready to go. Wrap it in a cling sheet and you can save it for at least a month. You can serve it fresh or the way you want. Let's microwave it for like 5 to 10 seconds and see the stretching. You can see the way it's stretching. It's beautiful. Give it a try and do let us know that how was your mozzarella cheese. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.